Hey, welcome back to Lala Language. It's me, Chris, and in this session, we're going to look at the action word call. The different forms would be call, called, calling, calls. So if you're ready, let's begin. I call. I am calling. I have called. I have been calling. Great. I called. I were calling. I had called. I had been calling. I will call. I will be calling. I have called. I have been calling. I'm thinking of calling. I'll help you call. I'm dying to call. It's my turn to call. It's hard for me to call. I'm having a hard time calling. I think I should call. Let me call. Great, with that we have come to the end of the action word call. I'll come back to you with more action words. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.